Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today this is the look. This is actually the look that I wore to the Makeup Revolution Halloween party, and I just wanted to recreate it. Today is Halloween. I just did not have time to recreate it before this day. Like yesterday I was on TV, I was stressing the hell out the whole time. So today I've decided to do it and just put it out just to show you how I did it, regardless if you want to try it out for tonight. Because today is Halloween. If you want to try it out for tonight, I don't know if I'll even have it up for tonight, but if you just want to see how it is, how I did it, if you want to recreate it, add your own pizzazz to it, then go ahead. This is my Halloween look, and I'm going to work actually to pimp out everyone else's faces. I'm not actually working, I don't have a shift today, I'm just going in to do some makeup. So yeah, I'm about to go in. So this is the look, minus the hair. Like my hair was actually curled and zhuzhed up. My hair right now, this is just my natural hair, so it looks almost exactly the same. So this was the look. So if you guys want to see how I did this, please continue watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Alright, so I'm going to start off with the Revolution Pro Pigment Pomade in Classic Red, and I just fill my eyebrows just so the tail end, the arch, meeting just about or a little bit after halfway, so that I can actually fill in my eyebrows normally. So then I use the Rimmel black brown eyebrow pencil and I fill this in just to meet where the red is, because we still want normal looking brows out here, you know. And then I take the Full Spectrum palette by Urban Decay using Calavera, and I place this on the top part of my eyelids, so just where it hits the brow bone and kind of into the socket, because this is the colour that I want to transition all the other colours. Then I take the Barry M Fall in Love palette. I use the red in here because the red is like amazing and it's pigmented and it just looks like a beautiful, beautiful bright red. And then I take again the Full Spectrum palette and I take the colour Hatter, which is a green, it's a matte green. So basically my theme for this look was Alice in Wonderland, and the Tim Burton one especially, because that's the theme for the party that I went to when I wore this. And then I take the Rimmel Spice Magnif'eyes palette. This is the darkest matte purple they had in the palette, and I use this and I place this on top of the red, so as you can see it layers up from yellow, red, and then to a deep purple, because when I do the cut crease I want you to see each and every layer of the colors to give it depth. So as you can see I'm going back and forth, purple to red to yellow, to blend everything out. And then I cut the crease with a, you know, just a basic concealer, whatever concealer I had around, and I just cut the crease just above where my eyelid folds, so where it folds in. So I have one of those foldy eyelids, so that's where I cut the crease. Then I use the same purple that I used from the Rimmel palette, and I take that and I bring that back in to add the definition and to blend out the concealer to the outer corner, so it's not just stuck there, because I don't want the concealer just to be like all up in here saying hi I'm here. I don't want to be like hi I'm here, I want to be hi I'm here but now I'm kind of going away, if you get what I mean. So I blend it out. Then I take this palette, this is called the Heavy Metals, this is a limited edition, I didn't know, but Urban Decay palette using the colour Glory, which is a metallic gold, gold bronze, and I put that on top before I put the glitter, which is from the NYX glitter stacks, and it's just a simple gold glitter, and I applied that with the Barry M glitter glue. And then as you can see it's just so like aesthetically pleasing just to see glitter be applied and it not to be like falling out, and it just looks like really neat and tidy. It's just so pleasing to the eye. So then again I blend back in with the Rimmel, the purple colour, and then the yellow. So it's all about layering and blending when it comes to really, really colourful looks. So then I take my Urban Decay Peversion eyeliner, which is like a 24-hour eyeliner. It's amazing, it's super black, and I blend that out. So I put that in my waterline and on the lash line, and I blend it out with a cotton bud, which is like super easy to me and it's not as harsh as like a spiky brush. So that's how I blend it out. Then again I go back in with Hatter, because of course I don't know if you've seen, but I went from bare skin to like contour foundation and everything, so I'm just putting it back on again. Then I apply the Goddess of Love I Heart Revolution highlighter to the inner corner of the eyes and the under the arch of the eyebrows, and then I use the Nada Pinky Goat lashes because these lashes look so good, oh my god. Then to create the glitter tears I use a eye my eyebrow pencil just to sketch out the tears, so that, you know, you can rub it out a little bit later. It's not as harsh, you can just about conceal that. Then I take the Collection glitter liner in just one Glitz, and I outline it. So where I put the pencil, I put the glitter on top just to add as like a border. Then I take the Barry M loose glitter in Angel Wings, and I put this on the inside, so the silver glitter as the border and the orange glitter as the tears. Then I apply my L'Oreal X Fiber waterproof mascara down there, and then I apply my Becca Champagne Pop. You know your girl wants to be popping out here. Champagne Pop, and then I put the Goddess of Love highlighter on top as well. So I use those two highlighters to make your girl gleam out here. Then I take the Magnif'eyes X Makeup Revolution Love's Hue blush, and I apply that to my cheeks and to the back of, you know, all the way back to the hairline as well. And then I spray with some MAC Fix Plus Gold. I then used the Gosh Nougat Crisp lip liner, the ultimate lip liner with a twist, and I filled in my lips. So I lined and filled because I wanted like a pink lip. I then put on top the MUA Ultra Sparkle Lip Topper in Rosy, which is a beautiful like rosy gold topper, and it's gorge. Okay, so this is the final look. I was supposed to have this out way earlier, at least on Halloween or a day after Halloween, but it's just been extremely hectic in my life up until recently. But yeah, this is the look. It's really nice. It's my Alice in Wonderland themed Halloween look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.